What's up, guys? Just wanted to make a video on a first gen Sequoia speakers replacement with JBL system. I have factory head unit. So this is the factory speaker I just got out of the car. Undid these 4 screws and then got a flathead to pry it apart. So if you want to flip it over, this is what it will look like. There's your tweeter with the factory harness. You're going to leave that alone. Since you pried it apart already, this should come right off. That is connected. I disconnected that. So here's your old crappy speaker. That's garbage. This is what you want to keep. This right here, you want to take some wire cutters, cut about right there. Should look like this. So then you get your new speaker, which has to be 2 ohms for the JBL system, for my understanding. It has a positive and a negative. You want to hook your positive to the positive, the negative to the negative. The green is actually positive on your factory system. Then they should be connected like this. All I did was cut a little bit back off off each wire, crinkled them together, and then electrical taped it, since I don't have a soldering gun. Now I set it on my 2 dirty ACs. Excuse the messy garage, but that's what I'm using for as a stand. That way the speaker moves freely. As you can see, I'm going from the bottom and it's moving however I want it to. Speaker holes do not line up, so you kind of gotta do your own thing here. I went to the store, bought some self tappers that are about 1/4 inch bigger or 1/4 inch longer than the ones that came factory with the new speaker, and I'm just gonna drill straight in there and it should just hold just fine. Okay, so now I got those tapped in. There's only 2 on that side. It's in there pretty tight so it doesn't move. There is a little bit of play, so I'm gonna probably stick some like double-sided tape in between here or there. That way if it does rattle a little bit, there's not gonna be nothing to rattle on. And you just plug in your harness to the factory harness and mount that up with these 3 bolts.